Well, we're just on the cusp of spring, the perfect time to get out and check out your irrigation system before the upcoming season. Well, I'm going to show you a technological breakthrough that will change the way you water your garden and your lawns, and at the same time make your life so much easier. This WX8 Wi-Fi Irrigation Controller harnesses the power of the internet to supply water to your plants to exactly match their needs using local weather information in real time. It allows you to manage your watering from anywhere the internet is available, even when you're on holidays. You can control up to 8 zones or stations straight from your smartphone. There's 3 different start times and a 7-day selection, so you can comply very readily with any local water restrictions that might be out in your area. Download the Holman Home app to your smartphone. The system allows you to set up voice commands through Siri, Alexa or Google Assistant. From here, you can set your own automatic watering options. In other words, program your system to automatically switch on sprinklers from the scheme or even a bore. Now, one particularly helpful feature is that you can go out into the garden and use your smartphone to turn on or off various stations. So it makes it so much easier and got a bit of maintenance to check on. And if you add a rain sensor, it will turn the system off when you've had rain. It'll do it automatically so you save water. Set up smart automations through the app to adjust your watering when certain weather conditions are met. For example, you can start watering certain zones when the mercury climbs over 30 degrees, or alternatively, stop watering when we get below a certain temperature. Well, right now is the ideal time to research this amazing controller so you can look forward to the best ever results from your spring and summer garden. For more information, check out this website.